Hi friends, in the last video we completed G, alphabet symbol G pattern, sir. Sir, after G, the next pattern what I have to take H pattern, sir. It is very easy when compared with the remaining. Have a look once. Sir, usually how you can write H, okay, in our regular, sir, this is the style we are going to write. Regarding how you can write, sir, this is the style, okay. Now in pattern form, how you can print, sir? Very simple. Here now I am taking first column and the last column should be with a stars, okay. First column and the last column should be with the star symbols, right? Okay, like first and last. Next, middle also, middle column, third row should contain only stars. That's all, sir. Now this is the H pattern, sir. Okay, like. So how you can write the code for this? Okay, 7 rows are there, 0 to 6. Sir, 5 columns are there, 0 to 4. How you can write? Very simple. Let me consider first row. In the first row, how many star symbols are there, sir? Yes, at 0th position, 4th position, star symbol is there. Okay, 0th position, 4th position, star symbol is there. Now, sir, in the one, is there any similar row is available related to this? Yes, friends. Okay, even one row also same, second row is also same, but the third row is the different. Third row is the different, but fourth row again it is the same. Okay, fifth row again same, sixth row again same. So here, do you know, except the third row. Except the third row, in all remaining rows I want a star symbol in 0th column and 4th column. Remember this, except the third row, except the third row, in all remaining, in the 0th column and the 4th column I want a star symbols, right? Okay, let me write the code for this. Observe carefully. So for row in range of 6, for col in range of 5, okay, if row is not equal to 3. What is the meaning of that? Except the third row, okay, and call in 0, 4. Sir, first column and the last column, either first column or last column. Can you please print star symbol? Print star symbol. Next, end is equal to space. Okay, don't go to the next line. End is equal to space, like this line. Sir, next, what is the next one I have to take? Okay, like so, except the third row, all rows are covered, sir. Then what is the remaining? Only third row is the remaining. In the third row, do you know, sir, all star symbols are there. Are you getting? Third row, all star symbols are available. That's why. So let me take third row, sir, everywhere star symbol. Now elif row is equal to 3, sir. Elif row is equal to 3. No column restriction, because in every column I want star. That's why. Can you please print star symbol, comma, end is equal to space, like. Okay, so a row is not equal to 3. This is, if row is equal to 3 in all column positions, please take star. So except, else, like, because all star symbols already covered, then the remaining nothing, sir, only spaces. That's why else print space followed by end is equal to spaces, sir. That's all. So every next row should start in the next line. That's why let me take this code, sir. That's all. So this is the thing what you people should be aware to print H pattern with the star symbols, right? Now let me consider, have a look once, sir. Here, if I consider that, okay, here this is the H pattern, sir. Sir, now if you observe that, in the 0th row, okay, sir, 0 column, 4th column, star symbol is there. Sir, same is applicable for first row, for the first row, next second row, and even 4th row and the 5th row, 6th row also. except third row in all remaining rows, except third row in all remaining rows. In all remaining rows, first column and fourth column star symbols are there, okay, except third row. Now observe, if row is not equal to 3, means that except third row and call in 0 comma 4. So means calling 0 comma 4 means, do you know, sir, this is the first column, I mean 0th column and the last column, right? Okay, can you please print star symbol comma end is equal to, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all, sir. End is equal to like. Now, so all rows are covered except third row. Now for the third row, what there, sir? In the third row, star symbols are there in the total, sir. In for every column, star symbol is there in the third row. Let me write elif row is equal to 3. Elif row is equal to 3, sir. If row is equal to 3, I'm taking. Now print sir, star symbol comma end is equal to end is equal to, sir, like I'm trying to take. Okay, that's all, sir. Next else, because all star symbols completed, in all the remaining cells only spaces we have to take, sir. Else print spaces, sir, end is equal to space, like we have to take. That's all. Next, every new row should start in the next line. That's why just I'm taking like this, right? That's all. This is the code to print H pattern. Have a look once. Let me execute this code. Here py test.py. Perfect. You can see H alphabet symbol here. So everyone in the position to understand clearly how you can write pattern, how you can write Python code to print H pattern. Any doubt about this one? Clear, right? But make sure you have to practice, then only you will get much clarity. Just by simply listening, nothing, you won't get anything, sir. Okay.